Number 1. Not a dinosaur. Pteranodon wasn't a dinosaur, it was a type of flying reptile called a pterosaur. These creatures lived at the same time as dinosaurs but were a different group altogether. Number 2. Giant wingspan. Pteranodon had an impressive wingspan, with some species reaching up to 33 feet, 10 meters, from wingtip to wingtip. This made them one of the largest flying animals of all time. Number 3. Crested heads. Many Pteranodon species had large, elaborate crests on their heads. These crests could be taller than the rest of the skull and came in various shapes, including rounded, backward pointing, and forward curving. Number 4. Toothless beak. Pteranodon had a long, toothless beak ideally suited for catching fish. They likely soared over ancient oceans, swooping down to snatch fish from the water with their sharp beaks. Number 5. Pneumatic bones. Like other pterosaurs, Pteranodon had hollow bones filled with air sacs, making their skeletons lightweight and well adapted for flight. Number 6. Lived near water. Fossils of Pteranodon have been found in North America, suggesting they lived near coastal areas and inland waterways. They likely spent much of their time hunting for fish over oceans and lakes. Number 7. Skilled flyers. Pteranodon was a highly efficient flyer, capable of soaring for long distances using air currents and thermals. They likely used their powerful wings to glide effortlessly through the skies. Number 8. Social creatures. Some evidence suggests that Pteranodon may have been social animals, gathering in large groups for activities such as nesting and feeding. Number 9. Sexual dimorphism. Male and female Pteranodon may have had different-sized crests, with males typically sporting larger crests. Scientists believe these crests could have been used for display during courtship rituals. Number 10. Extinction. Pteranodon, like many other dinosaurs and prehistoric creatures, went extinct around 66 million years ago during the mass extinction event that marked the end of the Mesozoic era. Despite their disappearance, their fossils continue to fascinate scientists and enthusiasts alike, offering valuable insights into the ancient world.